And Now Foundation, India's first non-profit organization exclusively promoting internet ethics and digital well-being. Lottery frauds. The scammers will try to trick you that you have won a lottery, and often, majority of the people don't even realize that they have never participated in that lottery. Scammers will claim that you need to pay advances fees or GST or income taxes before your prize can be released to you. They will also request all your personal details to prove your identity for validation purposes. But in reality, they will use this information to do more social engineering crimes further. Top lottery scams the scammers use are: scratch card offer, government lottery, KBC lottery, Snapdeal lottery, Euro lottery, free holiday lottery. How to safeguard ourselves from lottery fraud. Never click on short links or attachments sent through email or SMS. Click on the websites that start with HTTPS. Having a padlock symbol. Ignore emails from Yahoo, Gmail and others claiming that you have won lottery. Sender doesn't address you by your name. Competitions and lotteries do not require you to pay an advance fee to collect winnings. If you receive a courier that looks like lottery material, then just ignore it. Beware. Without buying lottery tickets you cannot win the lottery.